The governor is finally signing that bill as he faces a federal lawsuit over policies he's ordered in place at the border. And that includes those buoy borders, or border buoys, I should say, that we've been talking so much about. Well, now a constitutional law professor in North Texas predicts legal victory for the Biden administration. Our political reporter Jack Fink has reaction.
Texas built its barrier of buoys in the Rio Grande near Eagle Pass as part of Operation Lone Star, a multi-billion-dollar program state leaders say is designed to boost border security. But the Biden administration says the buoys go against federal law.
It is the federal government.
And SMU constitutional law professor Jeffrey Kahn says the law is clear.
What's more, the lawsuit is on very, very firm legal ground.
In its lawsuit, the Biden administration said the buoys violate the Rivers and Harbors Act, which it says prohibits the creation of any obstruction not affirmatively authorized by Congress to the navigable capacity of any of the waters of the United States. The law cites 19 specific examples or any other obstacle or obstruction.
Heavy construction equipment was necessary to put these things into the river. If that's not an obstruction, I don't know what is.
Governor Abbott rejected the lawsuit on Fox News last night.
They're using some obscure statute to try to stop us from continuing to deploy those buoys. Is not grounded in law whatsoever. We believe we have the right to do so.
The White House press secretary blasted the governor's policy.
Instead of coming to the table and trying to figure out a way to work together, he continues to do this really cruel, unjust, inhumane ways of moving forward.
Governor Abbott has already vowed to take this case all the way up to the U.S. Supreme Court, but Professor Kahn says the state recently lost a case to the federal government on immigration.
Just a month ago, Texas was told in pretty convincing terms by the United States Supreme Court that it didn't have standing to tell the federal government how to prioritize its immigration arrests and deportation proceedings. I think we're going to get the same result.
Jack Fink, CBS News, Texas.